Hi, I am Aldo Perdomo. I am a student of University National of Colombia. I am engineer, electronics, high-speed process control, sensors, especially. For example, a processing house is freeze and thaw enterprise. Enterprise there are sensors, controllers, and actuators. Sensors are devices that measures temperature. They convert the temperature in an electrical signal. The electrical signal processing is performed by controller. The controller made decisions based on the signal from the temperature sensor and the temperature selector of the fry. The selector temperature is set for use. The actuators are devices that generate temperature or the engine that is inside the fry. In this show, a speed of sensors. The sensors used in factories. I speed of the king's sensors. I will do a demonstration each sensor. The sensors are devices that convert a physical quantity in another physical quantity equivalent. For example, the temperature in electricity. The sensors allow communication between in physical medium and control system. The sensor uses physical principles by application. Sensors are divided in analog and binary. Binary sensors are two types of response, on or off. Analog sensors give a range of response. They give many values. In this panel there are some sensors: switch, micros, inductive sensors, pressures sensors, optical, photoelectric, and red switch. This is a system controller. It receives signals from the sensors. With the signals are making decisions according to the program. The controller takes decisions to turn off or turn on the lamp. The actuator is represented by the lamp, but can be a motor, a mechanical device, a pneumatic device, hydraulic device, or any device that performs any function or work. The switch sensor is very used. It is binary, it is a mechanical sensor. It serves to control the electrical current, the turn off or turn on depending on it. It is the simplest all sensors. It is all sensors. It is used control panels. Also, it is used many devices in our homes. For example, on or off. It's very simple. Micros are the signs of fish. She is binary. It is a mechanical sensor too. It serves to control the electrical contrast. It steps to detect the presence of objects or position. It uses in elevator doors, for example. They detect whether or not there are people between the doors when the doors are closing on or off. Red switch sends signal if there are magnetic fields bridging a pitch magnet. This activates the sensor. It recalls the piece of magnet that tunes down systems. On off, on, off. It is magnet. It is used in alarms. It is used to detect position of the actuators. Inductive sensors are used to detect metals. They operate by magnetic principles. If I move a piece of metal, the sensor is activated. What about a piece of wood or plastic? The sensor is not activated. Plastic, for example, is not detected. Steel is detected. Bronze is detected. Plastic is not detected. For example, they are used in coin machines. The sensor sends signals according to the material of the coin. That is reasons because bad coins are not detected. They are different to original materials coins. Photocells detect change in light intensity. If there is darkness, the sensor sends a signal, then switch on. Darkness on, light off. If there is light on the sensor do not send signal, then the system switch off. In this case, this is a binary sensor. Bulbs can also be an analog sensor. They are used to switch the lights on the strips. For these reasons, these lights switch on automatically when there is darkness. Darkness on, light off. Optical sensors work with invisible light to the human eye. In this case, when I interrupt the beam, the system is operated. For example, on, off, on, off. This sensor is binary. Optical sensors are used to detect objects. Optical sensors consist of a transmitter and a receiver. In industry, there are various types of optical sensors: reflective, retroreflective, diffuse, and infrared. Pressure sensor is used to detect difference between the atmospheric pressures and interstate pressures. In this case, this sensor measures the water pressures in the syringe. If there is pressure, switch on. Else, switch off. On